In this section, we will learn about grouping of cells and problems related to grouping of cells. Now this is grouping of cells. Here there are n cells are in series. This is positive terminal, negative terminal, and this combination is series combination. This is series combination. Net internal resistance is equals to NR. Net external resistance is equals to R, and net EMF of n cells having individual EMF E is net EMF of circuit is equals to n times E. This is. Now you can write here using Ohm's law. Here total resistance is here R plus NR. Here net resistance. Now apply Ohm's law. So using Ohm's law, V is equals to IR you can write. That means V is here E and E. I is here current and R is R plus NR. That means I is equals to you can write NE divided by R plus NR, and this is your current in the circuit. Then the current through the external resistance will be I equals NE divided by R plus NR. This is N times R. Cells, when N cells are each of EMF E and internal resistance small r are connected in parallel. This connection is in parallel to pass electric current through the electrical resistance. Then here net EMF is equals to, here net EMF in parallel connection is E, and here from Ohm's law this is potential and this is your net internal plus external resistance. The internal or external resistance, after simplifying this you will get, this will be NE divided by R plus R times N. If two cells having EMF E1 and E2 and internal resistance R1 and R2 are connected in parallel, then net EMF connection is parallel. If parallel connection, that means cells are arranged in parallel way, net EMF is equals to here E, and E equals to E1 R1 plus E2 R2 divided by R1 plus R2, and net internal resistance is net internal resistance is equal to R1 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. You can say if two cells of EMF E1 and E2 are connected in series and having internal resistance R1 and R2 are combined in series. For example, this one, this is battery and this is another battery, this is E1, this is E1, this is E2, and here internal resistance R1 and this is internal resistance R2. If two cells are connected in series, then net EMF is equals to E1 plus E2, and net internal resistance is equals to R1 plus R2. Now in this circuit shown in the figure, E1 is let here 10 volt. E1 is 10 volt, E2 is 4 volt. 4 volt, and R1 R2 are internal resistance of the battery. R1 is equals to R2 is equals to 1 ohm, and here external resistance of the circuit is here 2 ohm. That means here R is equal to 2 ohm. And in this question your requirement is find the potential difference across the battery 1 and battery 2. find potential difference across battery E1 and E2. In this question, here E1 is 10 volt and E2 is 4 volt, and here external resistance is R. So here let current I is passing from here E1. E1 से ये सर्किट को कंप्लीट करते हुए देखिए यहाँ से ये पास कर रहा है और ऐसे आ रहा है ये. That means here, and here potential difference between your battery is here V1 this is, and here potential difference along this battery is here potential difference V2, and you know the formula for V1 is here V1 and V2. तो उसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं. V1 के लिए हम क्या लिखेंगे यहाँ पर, तो V1 के लिए हम लोग यहाँ पर लिखेंगे फॉर्मूले में V1 equals to E1 minus I R1, because here cell is here higher potential, this is lower potential, and V2 is here E2 plus I R2. That means you have here E1 E2 is given, R1 R2 is given, and I is unknown. So our first requirement is to find I. तो हम लोग I find out करते हैं. For I, net EMF of the circuit batteries are in opposite direction. देखिए here battery opposite direction में है. So net EMF of the circuit is equal to, cells are in opposite direction, that means E1 minus E2. That means here E1 minus E2. E1 minus E2, that means 10 volt minus 4 volt. 10 volt minus 4 volt is equal to 6 volt. This is 6 volt. And total resistance of the circuit is here. Total resistance. Total of the circuit is R plus R1 plus R2. That means here R is here 2, 1, 1. That means 2 plus 1 plus 1, that means 4 ohm. 4 ohm is your resistance. So current in the circuit is here. Current in the circuit is equal to potential. That means here E1 minus E2 by R plus R1 plus R2. That means 6 by here, this is 4. That means 3 by 2 ampere current. That means 1.5 ampere. Now put I here, you will get V1 and V2. V1 will be here, put the value V1 10 volt minus I is here 3 by 2, and this is R1. R1 is here 1. That means this is your 20 minus 3 by 2. That means this is 17 by 2 volt is potential across your. Similarly for potential V2, V2 is equal to here E2 plus I R2. E2 is here 4 volt. 4 plus this is 3 by 2 and R2 is 1. That means this will be 8 plus 3 by 2, 11 by 2 volt. That means 5.5.